Check one. Check two. Check this out.
And it's a new day on the internet. Thanks for joining me in the studio. Today I'll be showing off a piece of gear I just received in the mail. Something that's a great tool for if you have to use a lead sheet or a lyric sheet during a gig, or maybe you just want to check your social media status between songs. But here we go. Today, we're going to be showing the Bespeco TAB100 Mic-stand tablet support. Here in this strong box it shipped to me in. Let me find my good old Knife, and we'll get this thing open. Now kids, don't try this at home, and adults don't try this at home either, unless you have your safety glasses on. So, let's get this little tab here. I just got to throw it, that's fine. Ah, there we go. Oh, there we go. So, this tablet holder, made by Bespeco, will hold any tablet from 8 inches to 10 inches. And look at that. It looks like I lost one of my nuts there. So the 8 inches to 10 inches, it has on the back, went a little bit too far with that, these nuts on the back that allow you to change the size both for length and width, and attaches to any mic stand or tubular stand equipment. I guess it could even be a hi-hat stand or anything else like that, from 14 millimeters all the way up to 22 millimeters. Well, that's a skookum piece of gear right there. So on the end is our nice large knobs here. And who doesn't like large knobs? Come on. On the back it has a pretty simple, let's see if I can focus on that. Pretty simple mechanism for changing size for whatever stand you're attaching it to. Just two really heavy duty bolts threaded here, and this is metal here. And then, yeah, this whole part here is all some sort of metal. I'm not sure what type, but that's not going anywhere. So you set your size for whatever tablet you'll be using, which I do have a, look at this, ka-chink. I do have this guy here. So you go ahead, set your size, and then on the back, you tighten up your knobs, adjust it to hold, and then this attaches to your mic stand. You got a pivot here, so you can go left and right that way. You also have a pivot to go left and right at this point. I'll show it this way as well, left and right there. And then you can also go up and down. So you really get a lot of options. Ooh, I didn't tighten that hard enough. Let's bring these in a little tighter. There we go. So you really get a lot of options on how you want that to be pointing and in what direction you need it. Oh, wow, look, I did not know that. And also, this little section here, which I don't know if you can see that. Let me focus. It also turns there. So you can do landscape or portrait, up and down, left, right, and then left, right there. So in really any situation, you should be able to find a way to have your tablet pointing right at you so you can check your social media and see how the show is doing. See if people are more interested in the beer menu than what your band is playing. But let's see this in use. I bet I can find a local musician and a mic stand. So let's go check it out. Rochester legend, guitar player, and all-around great guy Don Mancuso agreed to help me show off the TAB100. Of course, we don't have the money to pay for rights for any song, so we'll just put in some public domain music here. Just look at his face. You could tell he's rocking. Now, if you liked this video and want to learn about other gear, please subscribe. Make sure to also look in the information section of this video for links on where you can purchase this, as well as links to Don Mancuso's site.